I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurity.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today is March 1st, so we are starting off our month with a challenge. A couple challenges actually, which one of them was waking up in the morning, having water, which I have been drinking on. I've been drinking already. 8 ounces of water first when I wake up. I am going to be making this tea. I'll show you guys how to make this. I think I've showed you guys before. But we wanted to have tea first thing in the morning, so let's make it. If you couldn't tell, I'm getting over a nasty cold, so this has also been helping. I wanted to show you guys a little drink that we've been drinking. This one is, actually I don't remember. What did you put in this?
Garlic, ginger, honey,
Water.
water.
That's what I've been having and it's been helping a lot, so we're gonna put that in our tea as well. I'm using the lemon ginger tea bags. I know they're not like the greatest thing for you, but it's something. So we're gonna do that. I'll put some honey in there and the apple cider vinegar. You guys know I used to have that every morning. So I will be putting that in there. Then we'll put this like little garlic onion thing in there as well, like a shot.
Yeah, garlic, onion, ginger, honey. Yeah.
You guys have seen this before, my iodine shots. I do this in the morning as well. I've also been taking omegas, so I'm gonna take those. But I already warmed up water, so I will whip this together and then I'll talk to you in a second. Then I'm adding the shot of this garlic onion. Oh my gosh, whoopsies. And the apple cider vinegar. I do a lot of this, I like the taste of it, so I don't mind. Honestly, I usually do more than that, but that will be good. Then I'll just mix this together and we will sip on this while we do breakfast. But for today, I just want to be quick. So we're going to do a banana and then we're going to go hit the gym. So I'll see you probably at the gym. We'll get dressed and I'll take you guys along with me. We're ready for the gym. I'm wearing my typical outfit I wear every time. He's wearing, you know, some Nike. I'm rocking Gymshark and Nike today. We're gonna go do, I'm gonna do a leg day. What are you doing?
I'm doing a chest day, baby girl. Like
every day. Every day.
That's full body, full body.
Full body, okay. Yeah, we're gonna go hit the gym. I'm probably gonna film just a couple things here and there because we're in a hurry. And then we'll see you guys after for breakfast.
Just like she said, after for breakfast. Is that what you said? After breakfast?
After for breakfast.
It's a lot for me to pay attention. Knowing me still stuck in my ways. Know I got a lot to do, a lot of things at play. Know that money talks, I got a lot of things to say. Saying that it's all my fault, stuck in my ways. Feeling like I can't find peace of mind. They said take my time, no I tried. I done had to jump it way too many times. I done with the script up way too many times. You know what I mean? I don't ever stand in line. I just learned a lesson, broke a deep depression. Now I'm out here busting, got these bitches stressing. Making all my shots, shout out to Smith & Wesson. We could not just kick it.
So I cooked breakfast. This is what we got here. I've got some sausage, my sourdough bread, cooked some eggs. They don't look very good, but they will be. Avocado, and for Yichi, we got some sausage, some of the quinoa we had last night, avocado and egg. I still look sick, but great workout. It was a great workout. So we've been doing this little project. We're like redoing dressers. Just kind of fun to redo them. So we're doing that. We're gonna go back to my house. We have some of the bigger parts of the dresser there. So we're gonna go do that for a couple hours and then he's playing tonight and we're just gonna go hang out there. I wanted to cook chicken tacos tonight, but I don't know if I'm going to have time. All right, so we're cooking the chicken tacos right now. I got the chicken going and I just prepped the tomatoes, avocado, and I didn't find any dairy-free sour cream. So if you guys are looking for a dairy-free sour cream and you can't find anything, this is actually an alternative, which is actually really cool. So if you guys like that, coconut milk, I guess, unsweetened coconut milk. This tastes just like sour cream, so I recommend giving it a try if you guys cannot have dairy like myself. But I'm going to make these to go for Yichi because he's got to leave. But we're going to use these as the little toppings. And yeah, I'll show you guys when it is done. This is the final look. These look so yummy. I haven't had tacos for a second, so I'm excited. Hi guys, it's been a couple hours and this is my fit for tonight. We're actually kind of matchy. Well,
black top,
like almost
light
literally.
jeans, pretty much exactly the same.
Yeah, like just a different style. But yeah, this is our fit for tonight. We're just gonna go hang out and hang out. Your girl is getting over cold, obviously, so my nose is peeling.
Me too. Oh my god.
My face is peeling, like bad. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's actually afternoon. It's the next day, obviously. And I told you guys we were working on a little dresser here. I mean, it was him. He did it. I just looked. I just supported him. But you guys gotta see this. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. You guys remember seeing what it looked like before? It's not even doing justice on the camera, but oh my gosh.
I'll send you the picture.
Look how pretty. It doesn't really show the color, but it's like a matte finish. And gold knobs. She's pretty. She's so nice. We want to keep it, but nope. It's okay. We don't need it in here right now. But yeah, we're gonna go run some errands. I'm making omelets this morning. I've not had an omelet in years, but this looked good. We had some extra peppers, tomatoes. I'm just gonna mix this up and make our omelets one by one. I've already got this going, so I'm going to whip this up. I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of hard to film in here, but we'll get one soon so I can show y'all how I make my breakfast. I knew I was missing something, extra protein, so I cut up little pieces of ham so I can put that in mine. And then I will show you guys when it is cooked. This is what she looks like. Looks quite good. I have not had omelet in so long. I don't know why, but it always grossed me out because I ate them too much. But now I'm finally getting back to eating them. I just like them with like some tomatoes, onions, you know, all the things. He is cooking a little bit more, so warming up some sausages for extra protein. And then I will make my morning coffee. Excuse the mess everywhere, but I wanted to show you guys how we set this up. We put the dresser here, a little plant on it, and we just got this mirror, which is nice. Nice tall mirror. This is the outfit of the day, by the way. Black on black on black with the Converse. This is actually Ichi's jacket, but I stole it. I'm gonna wear this one. It's so nice. It's so comfy. And the washer's going, so don't mind that. But I just really like this setup here. Now all we need to do is get a bed, a new bed frame, and a different blanket to go on here because it's not matching. But so far so good. We're gonna go get some stuff done for the day. Let's get it. Happy Monday. We're back home now, and Ichi cooked us some fried rice with chicken, veggies. Got some sausages in there, and quinoa. Well, it's not fried rice, it's fried quinoa. But we're gonna watch The Watcher on Netflix and eat our food. Hey guys, it's been a couple days. We are about to go on a walk to go get a matcha and just get some sun. Let's go get some fresh air, some sunshine, and then we're gonna go hit the gym up here in the apartment gym. I'm gonna do legs today. A little bit of glutes and hammies. Let's go.
So obviously Dre's here. It's been a minute since we hung out. So she came over for the infamous tacos.
Oh, that is so
I know. It's so shiny. I got the taco stuff prepped and I'm about to do the chicken. We're just gonna chill, hang out for a little bit. I'll show you the tacos when we're done because I feel like that's the most satisfying part, is seeing, well, I guess the prep is, but I need to hurry. But I will show you guys the tacos after. They're gonna be bomb. This is what the tacos turned out like. Obviously we got the lime. I forgot the lime last time, but it took so long to make this. I don't know what was going on. We're gonna enjoy these tacos and listen to some music. What's up guys? It's Monday. We're starting off our week on the right foot. We've got summer less than 3 months away, so we're here. I'm going to be filming my workout today. Just a couple of my movements here. In the new apartment gym. I'm gonna be hitting glutes and hammies today, so I'm gonna show you my gym fit. Even though you guys have seen it a million times, it's still fun to do a little gym fit. This is what we're wearing today. I've got the Arola shorts on. They're so comfy. The white top and, you know, the Nikes. But yeah, Mr. Yeechi is going to be doing a workout with us as well today. It's not focusing. Hi, hey, what's up? Look at this view. What a nice little view for our workout today. Hi, hello. It's been a couple days. I don't know where this vlog is going, but honestly, I'm just kind of filming what I can. It's just been a little bit crazy. But we are headed off to the gym with the family. We kind of just wanted to do like a little family gym sesh. You guys have seen that before, but I wanted to show you guys my fit real fast. And then we will go meet up with the fam at the gym. This is what I'm wearing today. I think I'm gonna tuck this one under a little bit, but I think I wore this on Christmas. Just the Converse with the Alpha Elite leggings. Still one of my favorite pairs of leggings. Super stretchy, like literally so stretchy and buttery and so comfy. And they actually have like a really nice tight waistband. And then I'm just wearing this black top. I don't remember where I got this from, but it's cute. Just a quick little cover up. And then the Converse.
Hey guys, you haven't seen me in any of her vlogs recently. I'm alive. Add this in so my fine shit can see this. You know who you are. So we're back. We just got done eating. And we're gonna go Oh.